Hi everybody, my name is Christine and I'm an Ageless Grace educator in London, Ontario. I've been teaching this wonderful class for over 11 years now, and I work with many different communities here in London as well as virtual, and it fills my heart to have all of these beautiful energy exchanges that I do with all of these wonderful people learning to, move their bodies and use their brains and all of the fun stuff we do with Ageless Grace. Now, I'm also a certified life coach, and I work with a community of women going through many different changes. We focus on the wonderful blessings and challenges of aging. And with that comes this big topic that we always dive into called energy exchanges. Everything that we do is an energy exchange, whether it's within our relationships, within our jobs, within our everyday interactions. Everything that we do, everything that we are is energy, right? So it makes sense that the input and the output of the energy that we're exchanging has to somehow align to make things flow for us. And I find that a lot of people don't realize how much they are putting out in terms of energy, or what kind of vibe they're putting out. And they're expecting a different result. They're expecting some kind of energy to flow through their lives and make things perfectly easy, when we really haven't taken the time to figure out what it is that we're looking for, what we want to receive, and if it aligns with what we're actually giving. So I have created this wonderful workshop called Energy Exchange. I was blessed to be able to speak as a presenter at the Ageless Grace virtual retreat last summer and gave a little bit of a teaser of it. And I think everybody enjoyed the time we spent together. So we've expanded on that and are now offering this wonderful 90-minute workshop on Tuesday, February 18th. At 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I hope that you'll be able to join us. We're going to dive into how to make energy work for you, how you can really break down the situations where you're not getting the results that you want. I mean, it's a new year. We're all setting goals. We're all trying to find ways to make our lives flow better, our relationships work smoother. So this is going to dive into that. I'm going to give you some wonderful tools that you can use and really break down some things that we're just not observing, right? Not using to our full potential. We are so powerful. And if we use all of that wonderful power to harness this energy that we have and that we're exchanging on a daily basis, it can really work for you and it can really flow in the direction that you want it to. So I hope you'll join me for this wonderful workshop put on through the Ageless Grace Community and Denise. And I will look forward to seeing you there. Bye.